A very good morning. We have another mostly fine and sunny and also warm to hot day across much of the country, but light rain is forecast for the southern areas. We will be looking at that shortly. First, a look at how the day is starting off in terms of temperatures. It looks like Sutherland is struggling to shake off winter. Temperatures still below freezing this morning around the town, but it is much warmer for the rest of the country, with minimums mostly in the lower to mid-teens in most areas. Johannesburg and Pretoria starting at 14 degrees. The same for Messina, much warmer for Richards Bay and Durban, and Gqeberha starting at around 10 degrees. The same for Komani and also Cape Town, not too cold at 12 degrees this morning. Now, we have quite a bit of fog over the western areas around the Eastern Cape and parts of KwaZulu-Natal, where we have mostly cloudy skies giving us light rain around the Eastern Cape, just around a 30% chance of that. Then later in the afternoon, the rain is going to spread into KwaZulu-Natal. A bit of cloud is forecast for parts of Mpumalanga. Otherwise, it's going to be sunny for the bulk of the country, with warm to hot temperatures across the central and northeastern sections. We will stay with moderate to fresh winds across much of the country, with winds reaching speeds of 30 kilometers per hour over parts of the west coast, around the Eastern Cape coastal areas, and also in places over the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal. We still have warnings for high fire danger conditions in parts of KZN, Mpumalanga and Limpopo. It is going to be dry and hot for these parts of the country, and those are conditions that could lead to runaway fires, so you need to be extra cautious over those parts of the country. Then in Gauteng, we're going to see sunny skies with Pretoria peaking at 30 degrees, sunny as well across much of Limpopo. Temperatures in the mid-30s for the eastern areas. Polokwane will also peak at 30 this afternoon. And down in Mpumalanga, a bit of cloud is forecast for the eastern areas. It will be sizzling hot for Mbombela, 35, even hotter for Skukuza, warming to 38. And down in KwaZulu-Natal, light rain is forecast later in the day along the coastal areas. Durban warms to a pleasant 25, the same for Richards Bay. It will be hot for the northeastern sections. Light rain also forecast over the southern areas of the Eastern Cape. Gqeberha will miss out on those rains, with mostly cloudy skies, warming to around 21 degrees. We are expecting dry conditions for the Western Cape. A slight improvement in daytime temperatures, highs around 25 for Oudtshoorn, Beaufort West, and also over the West Coast District. Cape Town peaks at a mild 21 degrees. It is going to be sunny for the Northern Cape, pretty warm for Kimberley and Kuruman, warming to around 27. Sunny skies as well for the Free State, temperatures in the upper 20s. Over the northeastern areas, Bloemfontein peaks at 26 degrees. It is going to be sunny and warm to hot for the northwest, both Rustenburg and Mahikeng, warming to around 30 degrees. On Sunday, we are going to see a bit of rain over parts of the southwest coastline and around the Eastern Cape coastal areas, and that just an interior. We say with light rain along the east coast, spreading into KwaZulu-Natal on Monday. It will stay dry and hot for the eastern sections. That's all from the weather desk for now.